Hello guys, good day. For today, I'm back again for another tutorial regarding the Cattr. So it will for your and time tracking solution for your WFH work from home employees. So you can track their work activities and uh, especially on the project you assign to them so that you can see if they are working well when they're on their project assigned. Okay guys, so once again, if you like my video, can you please like and share, subscribe on my channel HBT tutorial so that you always updated on our latest video. Okay, so now we will continue the configuration and setup. So yesterday, we are completely installed the server, and now we will create I will teach you, or we will check the documentation on how to create an user, password, time zone, and create project and task, and then we will go into install the client or the apps for the desktop. Okay, so for now we will create now an project. Okay, for example, we have web project. Okay, so you can create examples of web project. Okay, so they have say it's important, so it's related, so should not be deleted automatically. So okay, and then after you create the project, so you need to create a task, and then you can create a task. Project name is web project development. Okay, so I say is web project development. Okay, and then you can put the description of the project. You can put there, and you can select a user. So priority, you can set high or normal, or if you want, you can set normal for now. Description. Okay, so it should be web development. Yes. Okay, and then save. And now, so you have already an project. You have already an project, and then you need to create uh, the user for the employee. Just go here on the upper right menu and click in settings. Company settings. Under the company settings, you can working hours. You can put 8 hours. Okay, and then under the users, you can now create a user here. Okay, create a user. You can put the agent or sa agent 1 and their email address. You can put agent101 at Gmail if you want, Gmail, or maybe you can test.com. So screenshot active. So we can, for the password, I just copy this one for test. And screenshot interval, this one is creation time in 1 minute. So you can adjust to this right now is 10 minutes. So I can user inactivity time in minutes. So inactivity model pop-up. So you can adjust one for 1 minute for now. So that we can see if the screenshot is working. You can set the type client, or if this is a client or an employee. So for me, I will set employee so that I want to test the app if it's working. Okay. Okay. So invitation, you can invite some users to So you can click now, you can back to the task and view the task. Okay, so we have one user, you can back, then edit the task, and you can select a user here. You can select all the employee, then submit. Okay, so once you submit, you can check the project again. So one task, check the member. You can add the agent or the user. I can also add this one. It should be my manager. Okay, then see. Then task. You can create another manager user for the development. So don't give the admin account, or you can create another account. Okay, so once we done all the creation of users and others, you can now download the app. So you can click here, download app, or you can go down, click the desktop app, and then you can select which operating system they are using. You can use portable or installer. We try the portable one. They have installer and portable. Also, they have a Linux compatibility. Okay. So also they have a Mac OS capability. Okay. So for me, I'm using a Windows. So I download the Windows app or client app. So Windows not popular enough yet past Microsoft Smart Screen Protection. You can probably experience a smart screen pop-up warning. Okay, so you can, they have a something pop-up. Okay, click. Okay, so more info, then run away. Because it will, maybe Microsoft did not yet recognize the app. So that, okay, so you need to wait a few. As you can see, I have already logged in, but we need to check if this is my, they said it's waiting for connection, but they have a screenshot made. So let me check why I'm still logging here. Let's, uh, let's make a logout first. Because as you can see, it's lost connection. Okay, so let us check. Okay, company setting users. So this is the user agent 001. Okay, you can host name. You can copy the host name, your domain. So part then credentials, the email of the employee you assign to them, and the password you created for them. Okay, then submit. Then you need to wait if the, okay, as you can see, there is no task at all right now. So no task assigned, so you can double check here, edit the project, and you can assign the task employee. Okay, to selected user. Okay, then submit. Then when you go back here, refresh. Okay, so you have now have one task. So the web project development. Okay, so when you go here, screenshot notification 5 seconds. Okay, if we need to sign into web, let's check. So this is the admin. I'm gonna click this admin. If I'm logging the agent, test.com, then agent 1, login. So this is agent, the agent screen. So, yeah, this is all the agent tasks. So they have tasks. So you have 2 agents running reports. They can download their time, projects, downs. Okay, when you run the apps, okay, when you click the timing, so it will start your time. So the employee will start their time, then you can minimize. Okay, so screenshot. Okay. So when I go to the admin, so as you can see on dashboard, you will see an updated here for the project. So click the project view. Okay, so no data right now. So we need to wait a few seconds or minutes to start, so that you will have an report show on the screen. Okay, so let's check. Okay, as you can see, they have a screenshot made. So when you go to the screenshot, you will see the screenshot of your employee. Okay, this is the screenshot now. I have my recording. So over quality is 94%. Okay, so it's very useful, this application. So it is a open source. You can create your own and can configure your own, so that you have configured and for your employee, especially from work from home agents, so that you can see if the project is ongoing, or uh, if their work is, if if they are working good on their project. Okay, so especially I see they are using this one, especially of some freelance work. So you need to online by 3 hours to 4 hours to do the project, and then you have a time tracker. So this one is they can help if you have a employee on the part-time job, so you can install the time tracker so that you can track their work and activity on the company laptop issued that they use from work from home. Okay, so this is na tutorial for now. We have successfully installed and configured the Cattr app for the employee side, and we make projects, then tasks, assign tasks to available employee or partners. So you can, and then you can, they installed Cattr application for on their computers to start the timings and start the job, so you can monitor the jobs every minute if you want. So okay, so screenshots. So as you can see, I have now 3 screenshots on my phone. If I post the clock, it will also take a screenshot. Okay, okay guys, so this is the tutorial for now. So I hope you will enjoy my videos regarding some open source application that can help you to lesser your payments on your licensed product, but you can use open source that capable to run your business. So you can try open source. It's easy to manage, but you need at least less or much better if you have a whole team that's good for development, so that you can get an open source application and then you can modify all the settings and GUI for that. Okay, so that's all for now. This is HBT tutorial. So thank you for all my subscribers that supporting my channel, and good luck and have a nice day. So don't forget again to like and share, subscribe, so that you're always updated on our latest video. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.